Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagatam janaisu. So start koru. Okay, first at ki ase? Prime Minister Narendra Modi is arriving in Assam on a 2-day visit, September 13 and 14, 2025. So Prime Minister ami gom paisu je Prime Minister Narendra Modi Assam visit korise, dudinia visit korise 13 aru 14 ot 2025 ot aru etu visit ot teo launch korise kisuman projects worth over kiman 18,350 crore aru ki attend korile Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Devor birth centenary celebration so attend korile at Khanapara, Guwahati. Thik ase? A special highlight will be so teo ei juntu 100 rupees or commemorative silver coin Dr. Hazarikar honmanot issue kora hoise hetu release koribo karne 13 September ot ahise thik ase making him the aru a commemorative coin to Dr. Hazarika Devor honmanot release kora hoise issue kora hoise making him the first personality from Assam to be so recognized. Modi is scheduled to arrive in Guwahati after visiting Mizoram and Manipur. Thik ase? One second. Okay, yeah, related ami MCQ eta sao. With reference to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 2-day visit to Assam in September 2025, consider the following statement. So, amak yat sarita statement dise kungita correct hoy ami sabo lage. First to ki koise the Prime Minister will unveil projects worth over 18,350 crore during the visit. So, ami already saisu yetu ki koise কিমান খিনি projects launch koribo keteman projects launch koribo aru hegita worth kiman hobo over 18,315 crore hobo thik ase so statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise he will attend the centenary celebration of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika at Khanapara, Guwahati. This is also correct. Teo etu birth centenary celebration Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Devor birth centenary celebration celebrate koribo karne teo ahise aru logote 100 rupees or juntu commemorative coin issue kora hoise hetu inaugurate hetu release koribo karneo teo ahisile. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise a 100 commemorative coin made of pure silver will be released in Dr. Hazarika's honor. So this is also correct. আমি এটো কেবাটাও এতিয়া লাগে কেবাটাও কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সত আমি এটো মই এটো মেনশন কৰি দিছো আমি জানোৱে এটো হয় না সো স্টেটমেন্ট 3 is correct. 4 to কি কৈছে Dr. Bhupen Hazarika is the first Assamese personality to be honored with a commemorative coin. This is also correct. Yat gote gitai correct asile. So 1 2 3 4 so option D will be the correct answer. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so next Forest Martyrs Day. So Forest Martyrs Day celebrate kora hol ketia September 12 2025 kot Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve to honor কিহৰ কাৰণে ফৰেষ্ট পাৰ্সনেল জুনে তেওঁলোকৰ লাইফ হেৰুৱাইছে ফৰেষ্ট আৰু ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ প্ৰটেক্ট কৰোতনে তেওঁলোকৰ সন্মানত এটো দিন সেলিব্ৰেট কৰা হয় ঠিক আছে the event began with floral tributes at the Shahid Samarak in Kohara Social Forestry Park commemorating the 25 Kaziranga National Park staff martyrs in the past decade. ঠিক আছে ইয়াত families martyrs সকলৰ families খিনিও attend কৰিব লগতে officials and staffs attend কৰিছে with meritorious students from frontline staff families being facilitated. ঠিক আছে the gathering highlights the extraordinary courage and sacrifices of forest guards in safeguarding Kaziranga's biodiversity. So here related data ami MCQ sum. With reference to the Forest Martyrs Day observed in Kaziranga National Park in September 2025, consider the following statements. Ako sarita statement dise aru yat kungita correct hoy sabo koise. So first to ki koise it was observed to honor forest personnel who sacrificed their life in protecting forest and wildlife. Ki ho karne celebrate kora hoy ফৰেষ্ট পাৰ্সনেল জুনে নিজৰ লাইফ স্যাক্রিফাইস কৰিছে তেওঁলোকক সন্মান জনাব কাৰণে এটো দিন সেলিব্ৰেট কৰা হয় সো স্টেটমেন্ট 1 ইজ কারেক্ট ঠিক আছে 2 টু কি কৈছে The ceremony was held at Shahid Samara Kohara Social Forestry Park. What celebrate kora hoisile? Shahid Samara Kohara Social Forestry Park celebrate kora hoisile. So statement 2 is also correct. 3 to ki koise? A total of 25 forest staff of Kaziranga National Park martyred in the last decade were remembered. Kiman shohid hoise? 25 forest staff. ঠিক আছে? So statement 3 is correct. 4 to কি কৈছে? Only officials and forest staff attended the event without participation of families. এটো correct নহয়. Officials আৰু forest staff কি কৰিছে? Attend কৰিছে লগতে martyrs সকলৰ families খিনিও attend কৰিছে আৰু meritorious students kini ki korise facilitate korise. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer, that is option B. Okay, so next, Dimapur Kohima rail link. So the Dimapur Kohima railway project, a crucial infrastructure venture in Nagaland, is targeted for completion by December 2025. So the Dimapur Kohima railway project to ketialeke complete hobo boli koise December 2028. Thik ase, not 2025. So December 2028 or leke complete kora target loise. Thik ase. Tarpisot this project spanning nearly 83 kilometer. A data khini monot rakhiba. Thik ase. Spanning ki nearly 83 kilometer aims to connect koribo Nagaland's capital Kohima with the national railway network via Dimapur, thereby enhancing connectivity, boosting trade, fostering socio-economic development in the region. So, eto ki help koribo? Connectivity enhance koribole help koribo, trade boost koribole, trade bhal koribole help koribo, tarpisot socio-economic development nurture koribole help koribo. Thik ase? Once operational, it will reduce travel time. Ebar start hoa pisot ki hobo? Travel time reduce hobo, movement of goods aru people ekhini olop easy hobo. ঠিক আছে বস্তু কঢ়িওয়া বা মানুহ যোৱা হেখিনি ইজি হ'ব and support integration of the northeast with the rest of the India. ঠিক আছে? So এটা MCQ চাও. With reference to Dimapur and Kohima railway project, consider the following statements. Ako sarita statement kungita correct hoy sabo lage. The project is designed to connect Nagaland's capital Kohima with the national railway network. This is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Kihor karone design kora hoise project to Nagalandৰ capital Kohima কাৰ লগত connect কৰিবলৈ national railway network লগত connect কৰিব কাৰণে এই project design কৰা হৈছে. So statement 1 will be correct. 2 to কি কৈছে? It spans a length of nearly 83 kilometer between Dimapur and Kohima. So মই কৈছিলো এনেকা data খিনি হনে মনত ৰাখিবা. So statements ত এনেকে দি দিয়ে. ঠিক আছে? So মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব. So কি কৈছে? It spans length of nearly কিমান 83 kilometer. 83 আছিল নে? So, yato ase 83 hoy. So statement 2 is also correct. Thik ase? 3 to ki koise? The scheduled completion timeline is December 2028. So ketia complete kora target loise December 2028 ot complete koribo target loise. So 3 will be correct. 4 to ki koise? Once operational, the project is expected to reduce travel time and boost connectivity in Nagaland. So 4 is also correct. So option D will be the correct answer. ঠিক আছে? Next, first AI minister Albania. So Albania has made history by appointing JLA, an artificial intelligence generated virtual assistant, as a cabinet minister responsible for public procurement. So eto JLA eta artificial intelligence virtual assistant asile junto January 2025 ot launch korisile, kintu etia appoint korile a virtual assistant tok as a cabinet minister. Thik ase? Will be responsible for public procurement. Okay, introduced earlier in 2025 as a part of e-Albania platform to help citizens access government services. Kihor karone heri kora hoisile, introduce kora hoisile 2025 ot January, jate citizen hokolok help koribo pare ki koribole to access government services. DLA has now been elevated to oversee and award public tenders in an attempt to eliminate corruption, human bias, and conflict of interest in contracting. Thik ase? Prime Minister A.D. Rama claims this AI ministerial role will make public tenders 100% corruption free, but legal, ethical, and oversight concern remain. So, Prime Minister koise je AI ministerial role to ki koribo 100% corruption free public tenders 100% corruption free koribo, kintu tothapiu yat legal, ethical, aru oversight concerns kini ase. Thik ase? So, all of controversy create hoise etu karone kiman ethical hoy to appoint a virtual assistant as a minister. Thik ase? So, here related eta MCQ koru. Consider the following statements about Albania's appointment of the AI minister DLA in September 2025. Ako saita statement dise kungita correct hoy sabo lage. First to ki koise DLA is the world's first AI generated cabinet member tasked especially with public procurement. So eto correct hoy. World or prothom hoy. ঠিক আছে, statement 1 is correct. Tutu ki koise it was launched as an AI voice assistant on Albania's e-Albania platform earlier in the year. Yes, 2025 January launch korisile as an AI voice assistant in Albania's e-Albania platform. ঠিক আছে, jak etia minister cabinet member hisabe appoint kora hol. ঠিক আছে, so 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise DLA has full legal authority under Albanian constitution with no controversies surrounding the appointment. This is not correct. Controversies hoise, legal, ethical concern rise hoise, so statement 3 is completely wrong. ঠিক আছে, 4 to ki koise one of the goals of the appointment is to reduce corruption reduce koribo boli koise hoy nai ki koise 100% corruption reduce koribo 100% corruption reduce koribo boli koise in public tenders and align aspirations of EU membership. So statement 4 is correct. 1, 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer, that is option B. Okay, let's move on. Next, Meghalaya's tobacco control. So Meghalaya's community-led tobacco control initiative has gained national recognition and is being hailed as a model for the Northeast, for the entire Northeast. So Meghalaya jonto community-led tobacco control initiative hoy, hetue national recognition gain korise. Thik ase, through village health council, the state has successfully implemented tobacco free villages program in East Khasi Hills and West Jaintia Hills. Thik ase, the approach emphasizes community empowerment. So ki emphasize kore community empowerment, social mobilization and strict enforcement of COTPA 2003, making tobacco control sustainable at the grassroots. With kiman villages, 264 villages already declared tobacco free. Kiman khini etialeke declare korile tobacco free? 264 villages. This model is seen as a scalable and replicable framework for tackling rising tobacco use and related health issues across India. So here related ami eta MCQ sum. Okay. With reference to Meghalaya model of tobacco control, consider the following statements. Sarita statement dise kungita correct hoy sabo lage. It is based on the tobacco free villages initiative led by Village Health Council. So statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise, the model emphasizes community participation and social enforcement in addition to the legal provision under COTPA 2003. So statement 2 is also correct. 3 to ki koise, So far 264 villages in Meghalaya have been declared tobacco free. So etyaleke kiman villages tobacco free hoise? 264 villages tobacco free hoise. So statement 3 is also correct. 4 ki koise? The model has been recognized only within Meghalaya and has no national level recognition. Koise je model to okol Meghalaya recognition paise, Meghalaya te okol recognition paise aru national level recognition nai buli koise, which is completely wrong. Ami first sentence ote saisilu news to je nationwide recognition gain korise to model. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer. That is option B. Okay. So okay, here is the mains question. Eto practice koriba. Jete ami mains question include korim. I hope tumaluke sobe practice koriba jun june hamak hodai swa. Aru take help of internet editorials dihor help lobo lage lua prothome porhi loba kintu likha time ot nije likhiba with your timer on. Thik ase timer to on kori pelai nije likhibo try koriba. First ot porhi loba. Thik ase, that's all for today. Thank you.